Hello, my name is Marta Casares and welcome to my digital journal. I came into the class of nutrition counseling with high hopes and very open-minded to learn, even though we were in this pandemic. I had my very own weight loss journey, which led me towards the nutrition path. Previously, people would always comment or question on how they could also change and how they can be motivated, or why can't they make those changes themselves. I was not very helpful because of, even though that I did have those same questions myself, I did not feel comfortable or did not have the skill or the knowledge to be able to communicate, listen, or even show empathy with them. In the first few days of class, I learned extrinsic and intrinsic motivation and how some are motivated by one or the other. This was interesting to discuss because when listening to patients, we will come into play on how to keep them motivated or how to keep them on track. If you're not understanding or listening why they're, what provides their motivation, then this can lead to a lot of frustration and both parties just to give up. Another thing that I learned was the OARS, which is asking open-ended questions, using affirmations, and reflections. OARS are a form of communication that can help you communicate with the patient and have them open up and talk a little bit more. I learned that by using open-ended questions, it can provide the patient to tell me more information aside from just answering a simple yes or no to a question. Using affirmations will help acknowledge the client's strengths and values, and the reflection will help us describe their thoughts or feelings. My improvements would be, of course, all of them. I was understanding the topics and the reasoning behind why it's done this way. However, I had a hard time putting it all together in my head and making it sound seamless. I am too concerned and focused on trying to get it right or trying to not make a mistake. And this will lead away my focus from the patient. In regards to what I can say about practice or mastering, I can definitely say I have not mastered much of anything. I can definitely say that I still need a lot more practice, at least until I feel more comfortable to be able to apply them. I will practice every day, not only as an everyday situation with other people, but as well as with my son. He is 17, so I will definitely be using those skills and apply them when speaking to him.